Hi, welcome back to a new video. We're going to do a gel polish set today, and I've put the numbers on the screen this time so I don't forget anything. So we're going to start off with AIMEILI's number 119. It's a nice nude colour, which was perfect for this set. We're going to do one coat first of all and cure it. I'll hop in and out as I need to. And I've also got out Beetles number 669. We're going to do another coat of AIMEILI's, but we're also going to add a little bit of that Beetles colour to it, keeping it wet. Make sure you wipe your brush off, and then I've got a detail brush, and I'm just going to spread that. It's like a light bluey lilac colour. It's hard to explain, but we're just going to spread that around a little bit, and it's always best to then let it settle. So I'm not going to put it straight into the lamp, I'm just going to leave it on that metal magnet tip holder, whatever it is. See what I mean? My brain don't work. Oh, nightmare. I think I only did it on 3 actually. Yeah, I think it was 3 of them. Nice and easy. So we're just going to put another coat of AIMEILI's on the other 2 tips, and they are going to stay like that with no other colour on there for the moment. I have got some, now this is the real stuff, gold leaf. Not like the stuff you get from anywhere else. This, you touch it and it flies away. It is so thin, but it's the stuff you can eat as well. Not that I'd want to try that though, by the way. I've just popped a little bit in that dish and I'm just breaking it up as best as I can, because I don't want to use big pieces. And in the tacky layer of those tips, we're going to pop a few bits of gold here and there. Okay, they're going to get top coated now, so we can seal that gold leaf in. That gold leaf is so cheap, you wouldn't believe. It comes from Australia and it's 100 sheets. And I think it's only about £2 or £3 or something like that. It's so cheap. If anyone wants the link to it, let me know and I'll find the link for it. It's from eBay. Obviously you have to wait a while for it to arrive. Right, we're going to mat these out now because we're going to do a bit of stamping on them. Right, I'm going to take some Nicole Diary 02, which is black. I've got a really hard brush. It's just an old scabby brush what I've got, but I wanted to do some like dots, if you know what I mean, but like randomly. So I've just popped a little bit of the stamping polish in that dish and I'm just dotting it over I should say. Now I didn't like that bit, so I'm going to wipe that bit off the end and then go back in again. I didn't want it too overpowering, it just needs to be sort of like sporadic, if you know what I mean. And then we just wait for that to dry. Right, now that black has dried, I'm going to do the same with Nicole Diary's gold stamping polish. So I'm just going to dab a few gold bits on there, or a few extra gold bits I should say. If you can hear any noises, it's the dogs walking back and forth. Right, I've got out 01, number 13 and number 15. The 13 and 15 is Born Pretty, and the white one, which was 01, is Nicole Diary. This stamping plate is one of the ones, and this one and the next one is one of the ones that I got in the sets the other day from Amazon. So we're just going to use various bits from them. I'm not going to talk you through this bit because you can see what I'm doing, it's quite obvious. But I will just quickly tell you, I'm just putting some of the leaves in a white, a brown colour, and like that reddish colour what you can see on the paper towel. So I'm just going to pop those on all of the tips, but you'll see what I'm doing anyway as I go. This one I'm going to do, it's a butterfly and a flower in black, and I'm going to pop that which will be my centre nail, middle finger. Get it right. I just wanted something a little bit more bold for the middle finger, and then we carry on doing the leaves again. And now they're all done. Oh gosh, brought you down quite quick then. Got whiplash. Top coat time. So I've given those a couple of minutes just to dry off, and I'm just going to pop a generous coating of top coat. If you want to buy anything from AIMEILI, I've got a discount code in my description box. If you're dollars, you have to spend a minimum of $12. If you're pounds, it is £9.30 you have to spend minimum to get a discount, and you have to spend it on www.aimeili.us, not on eBay or Amazon. What are you doing, dog? Right, they're all done. I hope you like them. The next shot, it's actually my son's birthday card that he sent to me, or my birthday card that my son sent to me. And I've just covered the middle up where it said Mum with a bit of glittered paper. I thought it'd be quite nice as a photo backdrop and a nice bright picture. Right, see you again. Bye.